Are you looking for a face scrub that's gentle and deep cleaning? Well, in today's video, we're going to make a face scrub for acne-prone and oily skin. This recipe is full of anti-inflammatory and cleansing properties, leaving your skin smooth, clean, and fresh. All right, let's get to it. Please like, share, and subscribe. 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour helps to absorb excess oil from the skin, reducing blocked pores. It also acts as a wonderful exfoliator, freshening up the skin and making it glow. Due to its vitamin B content, it can support new cell production and slow down the aging process. It can also boost collagen production in the skin, helping the skin to maintain its natural elasticity and stay firm. Rice flour contains allantoin, which helps to soothe sunburned skin. 1 tablespoon of colloidal oatmeal. Oatmeal is amazingly moisturizing and soothing to the skin. It can improve skin tone and texture, absorbs oils, and acts as a gentle exfoliant. The excess in protein in oatmeal helps protect the skin from irritations caused by harsh chemicals, sunburn, drying, rashes, and acne. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Raw honey is antibacterial and helps to prevent skin irritations such as acne. It's also an antioxidant, helping to slow the signs of aging. Honey is a wonderful moisturizer and cleanser. It not only softens the skin, but opens the pores, making them easier to cleanse. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera jelly. Aloe vera jelly is moisturizing and can soothe irritated, dry, and flaky skin. It supports against acne and can fade blemishes. It also can reduce dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Essential oils I like to use are 2 drops of tea tree, 1 drop of lemongrass, and 1 drop of lavender essential oils. Tea tree oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and can reduce inflammation. Lemongrass is a natural cleanser and deodorizer. It possesses antiseptic and antioxidant properties. It can also reduce inflammation, soothing and calming the skin. Lavender is an antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal. It also promotes healthy blood circulation. In a small bowl, add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of colloidal or ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera jelly, and 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Mix all ingredients together well. Add the essential oils to mixture and again stir well. Massage the scrub into skin for at least 2 minutes. Don't press too hard. Allow the rice and oatmeal to do the work for you. You can also leave it on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes as a face mask. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. This recipe makes 1 application. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.